Okay, folks, dividing algebraic fractions. So this is from the Edexcel AS Pure Mathematics, okay? Yeah, Edexcel Pearson workbook here for year 12 and for year 13s. So recapping here and going over dividing by an algebraic fraction here. So dividing algebraic fractions in roughly, okay, 200 seconds. Okay, let's go. So that's a simplified RA. A over B divided by A over C. So I'm going to adopt the usual KFC, okay, or KCF method, okay? So we keep the first fraction the same, okay? We flip the second fraction, or we reciprocate it, so it becomes C over A, and then we change the division to a times, okay? Now we multiply fractions, so multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. A times C is just AC, over B times A is BA or AB. Okay, I can divide top and bottom of my fraction by A because they're both common factors. Okay, so that's how I simplify it. So I have C over B as my final answer for part A. Okay, so I have C over B as my fully simplified answer. Okay, this next one, okay, a bit more trickier. We've got x plus 2 over x plus 4 divided by 3, x plus 6 here over x squared minus 16. Okay, so step 1, so keep the first fraction here the same. So x plus 2 over x plus 4. We're going to flip the second fraction case, so we're going to flip it. Okay, and then obviously change it to a times. Okay, now this one here is slightly more trickier. Okay, we need to obviously factorize the second fraction, okay, to look for common factors here that are in my leading diagonals, okay, which I'll come on to here in just a second. So if I factorize this here, so this one here, difference of 2 squares, okay, so that we're going to have x plus 2, okay, over x plus 4, okay, times by, okay, so that obviously factorizes to x plus 4 times x minus 4, okay, so a difference here of 2 squares, okay, one will be plus here, one will be minus, okay, and the bottom 3x plus 6 just factorizes here into 3 lots of x plus 2, so yeah, we pull out our highest common factor here for the denominator part for the linear expression, okay, linear expression, so that'll be 3 brackets, so 3 times what makes 3x, well 3 times x makes 3x, and then 3 times what makes plus 6, that'll be plus 2. Okay, again, if you're unsure, obviously check it by expanding it, okay, so I can now cancel this with this case, so yeah, so that the common factors here are my diagonals, and I've got x plus 4, x plus 4. So what am I left with? I'm left with just 1 here, obviously 1, okay, 1 and 1. Okay, so I'm left with x minus 4 over 3, okay, x minus 4 thirds, okay, and that, guys, is my final answer, okay? So remember the acronym, okay, KFC or KCF. So keep, flip, change, or keep, change, flip, or we multiply by the reciprocal, okay? So you multiply here. Okay, so you flip the second fraction here, and then you multiply here the first fraction by the reciprocal here, okay, or the upside down version here of the second fraction, okay? That's how we divide algebraic fraction, okay? So keep, flip, change, okay? Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best, okay? Happy weekend, okay? Happy Friday afternoon, okay? Happy Friday night.